My name is Jack. I'm with the customer success team here at Judy Security. Today I'm going to be showing you how to download and get logged into our password manager, complete with single sign-on. I'm going to be showing you on Google Chrome today, although the extension is also accessible on Microsoft Edge. To begin, we can go ahead and navigate to the downloads page. We'll include a link to the Chrome download page and the Edge download page with this video. And then another way to get here is from our downloads page in our portal at portal.judysecurity.ai. But once we're here, we can click Add to Chrome, and then Add Extension. And the extension will install. And then we can come up here to the Extensions button in the top right corner, shown by the puzzle piece. And you can click the pin next to Judy, and this will pin the Judy extension right here at the top. Then we can click Login. Here you can enter the email associated with your user. If you don't remember your password, there's also an opportunity here to click Forgot Password and create a new one. Okay, after entering your email address, you'll receive a two-factor authentication code. You can then enter your password and then grab that 6-digit code from your email and enter that here. Then you can click Login. Okay, and now you're logged into the Judy Password Manager, complete with single sign-on. For information on how to create, edit, and use credentials, please reference our Password Manager demo video. We also have a Shared Vaults demo video if you're interested in that. And please feel free to reach out to our customer success team if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.